Hello everyone, I am Roman Sinha. Our team name is S. Chandrasekhar. We are from PMC Nursing HS School, Silchora, Kachar, Assam. And today I will be describing about the project which me and my teammates had carried out for the Bldc Bharat Buildathon. The idea of the project was initially composed by our team members, which we will be discussing further in the video, and upon a detailed research into this topic we found some major merits and some cases which limits the ability of our innovative prototype. What we will be showing today is what we believe can make our younger brothers and sisters more curious about every child feels after tearing apart a remote control toy or anything mechanical. Further, our teammates will be explaining about how it was possible for us to present to you this DIY Bldc brushless motor.
Hello everyone, I am Bldc and I'll be describing the details of our project. Our project is a Bldc brushless motor. Well, sounds interesting. Then moving on to the motor. The motor has 4 poles and has 6 tooth to hold on to the windings. Initially, I used 25 gauge laminated copper wire for its winding to have a better torque. It has 2 624 ZZ bearings and it is an in-runner motor where the shaft holds the neodymium magnets. The shaft is 3.5 mm. The whole body is made up of UPVC, and that makes it a better choice due to its availability and comparatively its high resistance against temperature. It softens at 80 to 120 degrees Celsius. So if you are wondering to make something heavier with it, you definitely need a better cooling system. Well, until and unless some modifications are done. And talking about the motor, the winding is done by the given circuit diagram. And here we used aerolite as the adhesive that is known for its high resistance against temperatures and its very strong bond. And that's pretty much all about the prototype we made. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shantito Shil. So as my teammate had already mentioned a lot about the prototype, so now I will be describing about the modifications which my teammate had already mentioned earlier. Traditionally, these motors use laminated silicon for the stator and laminated steel for the rotor, which increases the resistance against temperature and increases its durability. Now, the most interesting fact is that buying this hobby electrical motor would cost several thousand rupees. However, by building it ourselves, we can create the same at a much lower cost. By sourcing the components individually and assembling the motor, we save on manufacturing and branding cost included in a commercial product. This approach not only makes the project more affordable but also provides valuable hands-on experience with the motor's construction and working principle. So this was all about the Vikas we did in the Bldc Bharat Buildathon. Thank you.